Can you imagine what is this? Guess. This is a printing press used by renowned poet Rabindranath Tagore. The Lincoln Press, Lincoln, USA, imported from USA in January 1917.